Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AJ. I'm gonna show you how I achieved this fabulous ponytail. So if you're interested, keep watching. So my hair has been washed and conditioned and all the good stuff. So I'm going to start by putting some water in there to get it wet so it can make it easier to do this ponytail. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hair is nice and wet. Next thing I'm going to do is add this ORS olive oil wrap set mousse. I was thinking of using just gel, but since I have this available, I decided to use it for extra support. Work it in there, I'm going to add a bit more of the product, as you can see. And next thing I'm going to do is use this brush to try and lay the hair down as much as I can. Of course, I'm going to use the famous Eco Styler gel, to help give it extra hold. So I work it in there, and guys, this may not be how you do yours, but I'm just showing you how I do my ponytail, okay? Don't come for me if you do something different. And I'm going to use this little hairbrush thingy to help lay the hair down even more. Next, I'm going to use these headbands to hold the hair up. Guys, and can you tell me where these headbands go? I feel like I'm forever buying them and losing them at the same time. These and hairpins, where do they go, guys? Someone tell me. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the brush and lay the hairs. Let me tell you something about my hair, guys. It's difficult. Like, laying them is no joke. So I'm going back in with a bit more gel. I feel like I'm very light-handed when it comes to applying products. I don't know, but I think I put enough, did I? Okay. I know it's not perfect, but bear with me, guys. Bear with me. So, I'm going to go back in with this Vital, what's the name? Olive oil, silk and shine holding spritz, okay? To give it extra hold. So, that's what I'm doing right now. Just put some product. I know it looks like there's nothing coming up, but I promise you, I put enough on my hair, guys. Nice and smooth. So finally, I'm going to put this little scarf over my hair to finally lay it down. So that's me put it on my little duku. Okay, I guess it's all right.
100 hours later.
Time for the big reveal. Ta-da! Ah, look at that sleekness. Gosh. Now it's time to lay some edges, honey. So of course I'm using my brush to get me some edges, okay? Guys, and I know I'm not the best at laying these edges, but I'm trying, okay? At least I have edges, okay? Just kidding. Okay. To the fun part, I'm going to add this beautiful ponytail that I got from Aliexpress. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, full and luscious. It has this little drawstring thingy to help secure it. It also has these combs in there to help, to firmly secure the ponytail onto your hair. So now I'm going to try and attach it to my hair. As you can see, sticking the combs in there, trying to secure it. Nothing fancy. Pulling on the drawstrings now, and I'm going to wrap the string around it tightly as possible. And guys, you can secure it with bobby pins. Ooh, someone is feeling herself. So I'm going to make it more interesting, okay? You can wear it like this as well. Next, I'm going to use the serum that my sister-in-law got for me from Japan. Guys, it smells like heaven. So shout out to my darling Bookie for hooking me up, okay? Work that in. And I'm going to use the hair tie to make little pom-poms. Sort of. Little pom-poms in there to make it more interesting, guys. You know what they say, when your hair is more interesting, then you are interested, okay? So I put the tie in there, make it secure, and then next I fluff the hair out a bit. Going to do another one. Go back in there with the second hair tie and make it nice and tight. Push it up a bit and fluff it out. Guys, I feel like I could have fluffed it and made it even bigger, but yeah, I think that will work. You can leave it like this, but I'm going to go and add another one, you know, just because I want to. Make it tight, pull it up and fluff it out. So easy and simple, and voila, look at that. Yes, queen. Look at that glow. I'm going to do a makeup tutorial soon, guys, don't worry. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.